Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, July 1st, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yeah, we had another crappy, horrible day today. It's really getting discouraging. And I'm getting email from customers, as always happens. Bob, what's going on? And what's going on? This is the summer. Trading is historically rough in the summertime, and yeah, we're just kind of getting knocked around. And when it happens just day after day, with the patterns the same, I mean, we're dealing with the whack-a-mole guys, and they just come in every frigging morning and beat us up, and I think it's been 4 days in a row that's happened. That's very discouraging. Anyway, okay, the statistics. We had 8 positions coming in. We closed out 7 of those. Believe it or not, we actually improved from yesterday. We were negative $6,000-7,000 on the close yesterday, and we closed those 7 positions out positive $200. But it was a little bittersweet because, again, near the open, we were up, I think, about 7,000, and the whack-a-mole guys just drove that down to next to nothing. But we did get out slightly positive on those 7 positions. Where we got damaged was we got into 7 new positions plus 1 holdover, total of 8 positions, and only the holdover is positive. All the new stuff is negative, and we're carrying basically negative $10,000 going into tomorrow, which is Freaky Friday before a 3-day weekend. Yeah, I can't wait. I just can't wait. I'll show you. Let me show you the Dow first of all. It's just kind of interesting. It's to say the Dow gained 131 points today. And if we look here on the long-term chart, you can see this is the previous all-time high, which was at the beginning of the May, right back there. And then our last big low was the middle of June, right there. And we've come back here. You can see this since the middle of June. We've come back with this being today, July 1st. So the Dow is pushing up there, but we're still a ways from taking out that all-time high at the beginning of May. All right. Then I'll show you our nemesis today. Oh, this is maybe you want to puke. This is RHE, which is Regional Health Properties. And, the volume of this thing is practically nothing except the 2 bars that got us in the end bar. This bar that got us a big spike up here, high bar of the day. Yeah, we buy the high bar of the day with this thing, and then it immediately settles back to negative, but at least not too badly negative. And then look at this thing, the last 15 minutes of the day, they just power this thing down. I don't know what that's all about, but it really took the wind out of our sails, and we're down almost $8,000 in open trade with Regional Health Properties. So this stock really sucked today, and that's where most of those losses are coming from. But those are big losses. And in the aftermarket, this isn't doing anything but just staying down there. So I don't think we're going to get a reprieve on that at all. Then let's call this the yang of the yin and yang. I don't know which is which. So this is the yang of the yin and yang. And now I'll show you the yin of the yin and yang. Come on. There we go. This is uh, Silica U.S. Silica Holdings, SLCA. And this thing we bought yesterday on the pop, it closed against us. It looked like a horrible trade. And then it just gapped up. Of course, that huge gap up keeps us in, and it just kept moving and moving and moving. And we're up $8,300 in U.S. Silica Holdings Inc. This looks absolutely fantastic, and that $8,300 actually just a little more than offsets that loss with the other one. But the problem is the other stocks we had were all losers too. So in spite of this great trade, this great single trade we have, we're still up. We're still down almost $10,000 going into Freaky Friday. Anyway, yeah, it's just this is a hard way to make a living. That's all I say. And if you're trading this, I don't blame you for getting discouraged, but it's what you have to live with. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.